Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Speak English Confidently podcast. Once again, for this week, we are with Erwin. Sorry, this one. And Ria. Hello.
Hi.
Guys, thank you for your time. I appreciate you being here today, being in this safe place. Because this week, as you all know, we learn a new term every week. And for this week, we are going to learn about what, Ria? What is the term that we're going to learn about this week?
Sum up.
Sum up. Is this something that you've heard before, Erwin?
Yes, somehow I've been able to heard about it when I was watching some mathematical series, something like that.
Mathematical series. That's interesting. Wonderful. So let us now learn about the meaning of sum up through the Flow Speak app. Are you ready for this, guys?
Yes, ready.
Yes.
Wonderful. And it says here, let us now allow the app to let us know what it means. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's hear this from Flow.
Sum up. Meaning, briefly summarize the main points.
Ooh, I personally have heard of this before. Okay, it's briefly summarize the main points, meaning to say, you need to get to the main idea. You need to. This really happens whenever this happened to me during a meeting. At the end of the meeting, like after we discussed this specific, agenda of the meeting, we are wrapping up the main points of the meeting at the end part. Did you guys experience this before?
Yes, me
When
personally, I've last time I've um used this use the kind of phrase of this use the kind of phrase that to summarize things when I was
yes,
reporting way back in college.
when you were reporting way back in college, and now how old are you? Kidding. Let us try this, and I wanna start this. Is that okay if I start this?
Okay,
Yeah.
go.
Okay, let us repeat the word sum up. Let me record this now. Sum up. What is my grade, guys? What is my grade? Are you ready for this?
Good.
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 Okay. But because
Summer.
Summer.
the AI thought I said summer. Let me hear that again. Sum up. Oh, that's why. The good thing about this, guys, it's no shame. We can retry it once again. So let me retry it. Sum up. See, I mentioned it in a slower way. Okay, it's still good. Now it says
Sum up.
sum.
Oo,
But that's okay. We are a work in progress. This is a
Yeah.
safe space, right? Let's proceed to the next activity, guys. And I want Ria to start doing this. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
all you need to do, Ria, is to repeat
Mhm.
this sentence. Are you ready for this?
Ready.
Let's do this.
Let's see some examples first.
Oh, see some examples. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, great job. You're about to explain everything you just said at a briefing meeting. Sum up the important points. So you need to
Right.
respond to this, okay? And these are samples.
Mhm.
These are 3 professional samples, okay? You choose one. Which
Okay.
one do you want to choose? The first, second, or third one?
First one.
Let us hear this.
To sum up what I just said, we have a lot to do and don't have much time.
So this is like
Mhm.
the native version. So you just need to pattern it to this. Ria, are you
Okay.
ready for this?
Ready.
Okay, let's do this.
To sum up what I just said, we have a lot to do and I don't have much time.
Let us see her result.
My God.
I wonder what the result is.
Oh,
Excellent.
excellent.
First try.
Excellent. That it
First
actually gives
try.
you the
The end.
breakdown of the results. You can only see this through premium, guys. Through
Mm.
So there's a free version and there's a premium version where you can unlock more courses and terms that
Yes.
you can practice on your own. And it's linked in our description box below. Are you ready for the next one, Erwin? You are the next person to do this. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's do this. Okay. You have to respond to this. Excellent. Your friend just told you a long story. Ask him to sum up the most important parts of the story. Let's see some examples. Which one do you want to use? The first, second, or third one, Erwin?
The third one because it's
The third one because
shortest.
it's shorter. Let's try to hear the native language version.
That is quite a story. Please sum up the main points for me.
Okay, can you do this? Yeah?
Let's go.
Let's go.
That is quite a story. Please sum up the main points for me.
Let us see the result. Are you feeling any pressure right now, Erwin?
I do, but it's okay. It's a safe space.
Oh, you got an excellent
Wow!
score. How come I don't get to
Bravo.
get an
First
excellent
try.
score? Okay,
Good work.
that's very
Good
good.
work.
Round of applause. Make it round, guys. There, very good, very good. Okay, let us cheer each other, guys. Let us know.
Yes.
Oh, it's my turn. Okay. Now I have to respond to this. Nice work. Your classmate is looking for the conclusion of a chapter. You tell them where to find it and what it says. Let me see some samples, and I want to do the second one. Let's
Okay.
hear it first.
Here's the conclusion of the chapter. It sums up what you need to remember for the test.
Okay, let me try this, okay?
Go, Jam.
Here's the conclusion of the chapter. It sums up what you need to remember for the test. What is my score? What is my score? What is my score? I'm OMG, OMG, I'm very nervous. It's taking time. Because, oh, there you go!
Excellent.
Wow,
Almost.
Excellent! Wonderful. Okay. You see, the flow up loves me. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, and it's finished lesson already. Let's give everyone a round of applause. Yes. So, do you guys know how to use sum up already?
I
Yes.
think I can
Are you
use it
guys
on my
ready to use it the whole week? Because we cannot just learn it, but we need to start
implement it.
using it. The more you use it, the more you become confident. Did you guys enjoy this session? Yeah?
Yes. We enjoy it.
Yes.
Very much so. And because of that, guys, if you want more of this, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button because we will do this weekly. Let's learn new terms weekly. And once again, all these you can experience on your own through the Flow Speak app, which is also linked in our description box below. And I know not Erwin, Ria, what is our next term that we will learn next week?
For next week, ballpark figure.
Ballpark figure.
Yes.
This is very interesting. This is something that
Yeah.
not a lot of us
Mhm.
non-native speakers have experienced or have, or came across this term before. Have you came across this phrase before, Erwin?
No, honestly, no.
Not
Me
yet.
too.
So let's learn about this together on the next week. Are you ready for this? Yes?
Yes, ready.
And
Ready.
but
Next
for
week.
now, let's focus on sum up. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye!
Bye.